This is Jesus Family Guy, Steve Griffin Untold Stories. This shit's kinda lame, but it's hilarious.
Look, I've already said enough.
Man, I found a strange video of this fucking box walking around, but I don't know what's in the box. What the fuck is in the box? Is there anything in the box? Oh my god, it's Solid Snake with the... Here's the video! Yeah! Drop kick him! Hold this camera! Hold it! Point it at the box! Drop kick! Hold it down! I got him! Here, hold it! Hold it! I got it! Hold it! Hold it!
Wow, he's getting that.
Oh shit! Oh my boy! I got a snake! You okay? Yeah, he got a snake!
Look, I'm gonna do something that's gonna freak you out. I'm gonna jump from this shelf to my high chair. I'm gonna jump. Are you watching? Are you?
Stewie, don't interrupt. It grinds my gears when you do that.
You're gonna miss it. You're gonna miss it. You're gonna miss it. Oh God, dude! Did you see that? Did you guys? Oh man, look at this! Look at this gash! Look at this gash right up the side of my leg. Oh, I cut myself deep. Oh, it doesn't hurt though.
All right, time for your nap. Don't worry, Lois. I'll take him. Let's go.
God, what the fuck? What the hell?